I was robbed on Sunday a few days ago. It was a very, very painful experience. I still feel the pain as I speak. I just got back from church, and in fact, on my way back, I started seeing my clothes outside. I was like, how come? How manage? How did my clothes come out of the house? So my mind was just telling me maybe when I washed and lined it outside, maybe dogs took the clothes to somewhere else. Now they brought it back. Like, so many thoughts kept on coming into my mind, and I just made up my mind not to touch the clothes. So I left it there, and I decided to go inside the house. I unlocked the burglary, I unlocked my door, and then I went inside the house. I met the shock of my life. Everywhere was upside down, from the parlor to my room to the other room. Everywhere was upside down. I was so shocked. I didn't know what to think. I knew very well that this was not how I left the house. There is no how I would leave my house littered this way. Then I walked into the room. I looked at the window, and that was it. That was when it dawned on me that my house had been robbed, that I was visited by robbers while I was away, while I went to church. They broke in through the window. They destroyed the burglary, and they made away with my market. Materials I bought for sale, they just offloaded the Ghana must go where I kept the materials, took everything, even the ones customers already ordered that I packaged separately. They took all of it, plus some of my husband's stuffs as well, like tools he uses for work and all that. That was in his bag. They actually took the whole bag. A lot of things, money. Wow. I was so shocked. I didn't know where to start from. And as I'm speaking to you right now, I don't even know what exactly to do again. It is well. I've been singing this like a song, like an anthem. It is well. It is well. It is well.